Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add free photos, images to your Canva project. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the your Canva project, and to add photos to it, you just have to tap on Elements, or you can also tap on Photos. So you either way, if you go to Elements, you have to scroll down to the Photos section, and it's going to open up the same page as the Photos one. So they have two ways for doing it. So, but yeah, it's very easy. And then here you can find a few photos that are trending right now. Some beautiful copyright-free photos that you can just add to your project and use them. You don't have to credit anybody. You don't have to ask permissions or anything. Canva just made a huge partnership. They actually bought the company Pexels, which is a site where everybody can post their photos for copyright free, and they just bought this site, so now it is integrated to Canva, which means that they have a huge library of free stock photos. So here you just can tap on photos that are trending, and also if you are looking for a specific photo, you can type it here. So let's say we want Christmas photos. You type Christmas, enter, and then you will see a lot of beautiful Christmas photos. As you can see here, some of these are free. As you can see, for example, this one and this one and this one are all free, but some of them are only for premium users. But I'm sure that anybody can find beautiful free photos, so you don't need to have a premium subscription. As you can see, these are all free and they are very high quality, beautiful photos. So you can type in any search term and look for anything very specific. Let's see, a Rubik's cube, and then rubies. Let's Rubik. And as you can see, you can find any specific title, and there are quite a lot of photos. And then there is another very cool feature. You can filter your searches by the orientation of the picture, by price, and also by the colors. So let's say I want to find beach photos that have this color. And as you can see, I just typed beach and it's going to recommend colors that have this color in them, which is a very cool feature because you can match the photos to your brand color. Let's see, you can choose very specific colors also, and then you will receive photos that have this color. You can also choose the orientation if you want vertical or horizontal photos. You can also choose cutouts only and free or pro photos, as you can see. So that's it for this video. This is how you can find photos in Canva. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye.